If you've ever turned on the television or you've bought food at the grocery store or you've driven a car, Intralox has impacted your life.
When I came to Intralox, I knew that I wanted to work on mechanical design, and that's exactly what I do. I've worked on test equipment that opens up possibilities for testing of our new products.
That's really cool to know that you've designed something that is really touching everybody's lives. You know, nobody thinks about conveyor belts, but everything you have ever bought or touched probably traveled on one at some point.
None of the products we sell today existed, I think, 30 or so years ago. We spend a lot of research money every year creating new products. It's not because things don't exist, but there's always new technology, there's new manufacturing processes, there's new speeds.
By coming up with new products that deliver new value to the customers, you know, that is where our success comes from. We're trying to make their lines faster, reduce their downtime, make their products safer, make their workers safer. I'm in new product development, but I can walk down to the guys in mold shop about how my mold is going to be built to make the product. I can walk down to the plastics floor, talk to the processors and see what's going on out there. I can walk down to assembly and see the product being assembled.
I interned at Intralox, and after graduating, I worked at other companies, and I really wanted to come back to be able to work on those challenging projects.
I designed a conveyor belt that was much stronger than competing conveyor belts of a similar design, and we were able to patent it.
We have a good idea. We would like to be able to protect that idea, to be able to apply it and use it with our customer base. So we put a lot of focus on intellectual property here. Every time I get a patent, it's exciting. Everybody has ideas here. Everybody's ideas are valuable.
Having that level of growth is something that I find is very exciting. That keeps me going because I always feel like I'm learning as I'm here at Intralox.
You know, we're trying to solve complex problems that may exist out in the world with an elegant solution where we can, and then employ those solutions around the world for some of the biggest companies that are out there. It's always shocking to me about how much freedom we have to go develop what we think is going to be best for the company overall.
The culture at Intralox is that we're all in it together.